What's going on, everybody? Nate here. Welcome back to another video. We are here at Salty Gears Offroad in Salt Lake City. This is pretty much my second home right now. I've been here for my bumper install, my lights, my rear leaf springs, and today we've got a fun, big project, one of the biggest changes I've made to my truck. So I'm really looking forward to it. First off, before I go in, I wanted to show you some of the cars that they have here outside. So this is their massive Jeep Gladiator build that they've done. Right now it's sitting on 42-inch tires. They've done pretty much everything to this truck that you can think of. Then they've got their shop Raptor, which has a bunch of goodies on it, but they're still waiting on some parts to arrive. They're gonna be doing a big rooftop tent. They've got the RSI Smart Cap. I've highlighted this in a couple other videos, but awesome build that they have going on. They've got their Porsche here that's sitting on, I believe, 33-inch tires. That's gonna be a fun build. They've got another customer's Raptor in here waiting to get some more work done. Then they also have a Ranger that they've done a lot of upgrades to, a side-by-side. So here at Salty Gears, they can pretty much do anything. They treat me like family. They're awesome. They do amazing work, and I highly recommend them if you're in the Salt Lake area. So let's get my truck pulled in and let's get started on today's project. Alright, so today at Salty Gears we got a big project. We're installing the Fox Factory 3.0 shocks on both the front and the rear. So we're going to get those opened up. We got the truck on the lift, and Jared here is going to be helping us with our install today.
What's up, guys?
So thank you, Jared, for your help. Those are huge. And I can just adjust them on the fly, which would be way cool. Is that one near as heavy?
Nope, it's still heavy, but not near as heavy.
There we go. That's so heavy.
Yeah.
I was holding them for a photo and my shoulders were giving out.
Yep. So
So we got the front coilovers on. You can see we got them installed here. We got the reservoirs mounted in the front. Now we're going to unbox the rears and move on to the installation of the rear. It's massive.
it's all right.
Hey Tony, will you get me on payroll?
Yeah.
He's got me doing work over here. I'm pulling double duty. Just like that. It's getting late here at the shop. They're not quite done inside. They still have to do an alignment on my truck, but I have to run home. Got to get back to my wife and kid. Got some stuff to work on. But they are nice enough to loan me the shop Raptor for the night. So check this thing out. This is going to be my new ride until I come back tomorrow. So it's rolling on 37s. We're going to take it and see how we like it. So I will see you back here at the shop tomorrow. All right, it's day 2. We are back at Salty Gears. Huge thank you again to Salty Gears for letting me take the shop Raptor for the day. If you want to see more of this build, I filmed a walk around this morning that I'll be posting soon on YouTube. So keep an eye out for that. And let's go inside and check the progress on my truck. My truck is up here getting the alignment finished, but I wanted to show you guys this Raptor that Lux Automotive and Salty Gears have been working on. So Lux did the stealth wrap, which is the same wrap that I have on my truck. This is a magnetic, so it's a little bit darker, but it's got the full stealth PPF. They tinted the headlights and the tail lights, and then Salty has done a lot on this truck. So they've done an ADD Stealth Fighter front and rear bumper. They've added a bunch of lighting here. They added an AFE ADD intercooler. They did some new wheels and tires. They did the AFE Scorcher module on the inside, and then I'll show you the rear bumper around the back here. So they've got the ADD Stealth Fighter rear bumper as well, with some lights in the rear. All right, you guys, we're all done with the truck. So here it is backing out, introducing my 2018 Raptor with Fox Factory Race Series shocks on the front and the rear.